Here, you have all of us gathered together fixing up our robot before matches at the league championship. In March of this year, COVID-19 swept the nation and closed down schools, and with this, we lost access to our robotics lab and gained new social distancing restrictions. Because of the new guidelines put in place due to COVID-19, we have to make some changes to the way our program runs.
To keep everyone on the same page while also following these new restrictions, we have to utilize our main communication platforms in different ways. In recent years, we have started using Discord much more frequently. Discord is a free app where groups can communicate through a personalized server. It allows for various text, voice, and video channels, as well as custom roles. For our server, text channels are organized into various categories, such as general, announcements, and what happened previously. In the past, we used this program to remind members of what had happened during meetings, but due to current restrictions, we've utilized it as our primary source of communication and main hub for any announcements.
Additionally, we use the Google Drive suite to manage our notes, photos, and engineering notebook. This season especially, as we can't collaborate in person, we will be utilizing the commenting and simultaneous editing tools, which would allow us to communicate on the documents themselves as well as work at the same time. Now on to the actual design and building of our robot.
Because tools and supplies are limited, modeling has become a crutch this year for visualizing and creating our robot, and as such, we want to prioritize and take full advantage of 3D modeling's benefits. To do this, our team will focus on collaborating through SolidWorks and GrabCAD during our initial solid design phase. SolidWorks is a parametric CAD software that allows us to make realistic and to scale models of our designs. GrabCAD is a cloud-based service that makes sharing CAD files between a large group simple. You upload a file once to a team folder, and everyone who has access to that folder can open the CAD file.
For programming, we use GitHub, an application in which members can upload their code onto a cloud sharing system. They can see a log of who made changes and when they occurred, which makes it easier to see where the last person left off coding.
The most difficult restriction we have this year is building the robot while keeping the social distancing guidelines. To limit the amount of people, a small group of people will meet at a time and the team will rotate days so everyone has a chance to work. At the actual build session, everyone must maintain 6 feet apart at all times while wearing gloves and a mask. Tables will fit 2 people and all tables will similarly be 6 feet apart. The robot will be split into different mechanisms, and each person will be in charge of building and testing one mechanism. The people attending each day will make sure to document everything that happens by taking pictures and notes and updating the rest of the team on their progress. Since the robot will be fully modeled before any building starts, the model can be used as a blueprint to guide those who had not been at the previous build session. And this is how we, WiredCats Gen 3, plan to build our robot while maintaining social distancing. Good luck to all the teams this season, and make sure to stay safe.